BMW South Point customers. Just wanted to do a quick video today with one of our clients, Meghan, and talk about the advantages of BMW Assist and the importance of getting your electronic service agreement set up in your new car, pre-owned car, or if you bought a car even from a friend or an off-brand lot. The electronic service agreement is basically our version of BMW Assist and like OnStar that people are familiar with. Meghan, let's talk a little bit about your your situation with BMW Assist and kind of how it came through for you.
Yeah, on Sunday night at about 6 o'clock, my wife and I were driving an RX-3 that we had for less than a month, and deer ran in the road, and we ended up flipping our car into a ditch. I don't remember much other than the ambulance showing up and pulling me out of the car, and after the fact, we kind of asked about it, and we're like, did you call? Did I call? Did the neighbors call? And the neighbors were actually running out the same time that the ambulance was coming out, and so we were pretty sure that the car did it, but weren't 100% sure.
Right.
So
how the system works is that in the event of a vehicle rollover, there's equivalent of a gyroscope underneath the rear seat, and no driving scenario could set this off. If two wheels were to leave the ground for any time period, the vehicle rolled over, correct?
Yep, it did.
Your phone probably went flying, things go flying when that happens. It's kind of like being in a dryer.
Yeah, we had nachos in the back seat. They went everywhere.
They went everywhere, right? and so that will then trigger a response. The call center would have called in, tried to get you, to answer. If there was no answer, they would immediately start rolling EMTs and police to your location. They use a reverse GPS to do this. It'll unlock your vehicle's doors, turn on your interior lights, and put on the hazard controls to designate that the car is having a problem, especially being off the road. Who knows, where you are down in the ditch. So how many cars have you bought from us since?
So that was the second car that I bought, and since then we bought two more. So that one was totaled, and as I said, we only had it a month. So we came back and pretty much bought the same thing again.
Yep.
You guys treated us great and did that, and then I had a convertible that had a lease that was up, and so we now have a 2-year-old, and I bought a X5 because obviously this car's safe and I want to keep our daughter safe.
Do you think you'd ever drive anything else?
No. We had the opportunity to buy twice since then, and we haven't.
Awesome.
We'll keep coming back.
Well, thank you for your business and your loyalty. It's appreciated and not taken for granted. We're so glad that you're here today, and thanks for sharing your story with us.
Thank you.
Come see us. Big repair, small repair, and anything in between, BMW South Point.